Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a first impressions makeup tutorial, talk through, chit chat, get ready with me with the new Jaclyn Vault collection by Morphe. The Armed and Gorgeous one. 4 palettes come in the Vault collection, but you can purchase them individually. They're $15. I got mine at Ulta, so yeah, I'm going to be doing a look using this palette today. I'm going to take Access and I'm going to put that in my crease. I'm going to add a little bit of Secure right here. I'm going to take Smooth Criminal, which is this one right here. And by the way, the brush that I'm using is the Morphe M504. It's literally my favorite brush ever. If you don't have it, you need to buy it. I'm just taking a clean brush and just blending out the edges. I want this look to be really blown out and smoky. So I'm going to take the yellow shade again and just blend everything. Okay, so I'm taking just a brush from Anastasia. It's just one of the brushes that come with the palettes. And I'm going to take Prowl, which is this dark shade right here. And I'm just going to deepen everything up just a teeny bit. Taking that same Anastasia brush, I'm going to go into Secure, this orange, and I'm going to apply this into my crease. I always feel like every time I do my eyes, really dramatic, like it looks so ugly until I'm done with everything. So if you're doing a makeup look and you feel like it looks ugly, just keep going. That's how I feel right now. I'm like, it looks so ugly. So I'm going to take a little bit of the concealer and I'm basically just going to put it right in the center of my lid, like that. Actually, I'm liking the way that it's turning out. So now I'm just gonna blend more yellow into the top part and just get it nice and blended because I want it to be like does that make sense? So I'm gonna swatch these 3 gold colors and I'm gonna see which color I want to do for the lid. Okay, this is Classified with it's not very pigmented. It's pretty, but it's like, this is Coin. And this is Guilt Trip, which is the one I used yesterday. So I'm not really impressed with the sparkly colors, but maybe if I use a brush and wet it, it'll be better. Okay, so this is with a wet brush, so I think I'm gonna do the middle one just because it's the brightest. I'm gonna put on my lashes and the rest of my face, and then I'm gonna come back and finish my eyes. Okay? Okay, hold on. I finished my face, and now I'm going to do my eyes. So I'm just going to take the yellow color excess, and I'm going to apply this on my lower lash line and just blend it out really well, because I told you guys we're going for a little Jaclyn Hill smoky eye tonight, because it's nighttime. So I'm just going to blend this and blend it down my eye. And since this is going to be like the transition color, don't be afraid to blend out. Okay, so now I'm going to take this color, Secure, and I'm going to apply this right underneath my eye and blend it down as well. And that's going to just deepen it up a little bit. Now I'm going to go back into the yellow color, and I'm just going to blend this everywhere. Like I said, I really want this look to be blended, and this is definitely outside of my comfort zone. I take this color Agent, which is like the darker orange shade, which looks really similar to Secure. Just saying, these two colors are like way too similar for me, but knowing Jaclyn, they're probably very different. So I'm just gonna take that and focus that right underneath the lash line. The inner corner, I'm going to take this color VIP, and I'm just going to apply this to the inner corners of the eye. And I'm also going to take just a wee bit and apply it on the brow bone. Ooh, holy moly guacamole, that's pigmented. So I'm just going to brush off the powder that's on my face, and do my highlight. So I'm actually going to do something a little bit wild right now. I'm taking my highlight brush. This is the Morphe M510 brush, and I'm going to go into the Jaclyn palette, and I'm going to take a little bit of Guilt Trip and a little bit of VIP, and we're gonna highlight with this. So let's see. Oh, I'm scared to do this, but YOLO. Okay. Oh, okay. Highlights. Come through with the highlight. You guys, wow, this came through dripping. This highlight is popping. I'm gonna do my mascara and my lips, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so that completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. And if you guys want to see a more in-depth swatch of this palette, let me know and I'll do that for you guys. But my highlight though, just saying. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.